People, what's up? We're back with another YouTube product review. Today we're going to be opening up a Prunus radio. I'm going to be doing so with the Case Peach Pit gun stock. Yeah. Little overview here of the box for the J110. Nice looking packaging though. Little information. All right, kind of give you an overview here of the packaging. Looks like everything is looking pretty nice. Here we are out of the box. So we have our manual, and then it looks like we have 3 cords, USB, auxiliary, and our AC chart, AC. There's the J110 itself, looking nice. And I'm glad that they did the bumpers on there because this did take a little bit of damage, but hasn't affected the radio at all. It's looking nice out of the box. Let's go ahead and run through it a little bit. So we have 3 bands, FM, AM, and shortwave, and then also MP3 right there. So we have it switched to AM to try to avoid any copyrights. We're going to go ahead and turn it on, and let's check this all out together.
Cool game. You can take the air out of the basketball, force them to foul you, and lock the game up. So they want to keep it a, 2-3 possession game if they can.
So the volume is amazing. Sounds so clear, crisp. Look at that color. Ha! That blue's awesome. Let's pop it.
Carter Meerman got a high screen, tried to get it over to Brooks, who just saved it. Boy, almost a steal. Hoosier was trying to run it down.
Let's try a little shortwave action.
Hace 4 años, el argentino Emiliano Martínez gana guante de oro como el mejor.
On the back of the Prunus, we do have the ability to load in some batteries right there. We're also going to have our AC in. We've got some nice padding too on the bottom. And antenna's got the nice 360-degree operation there. Look at that. All right, the Bluetooth is going to show up there as the J110.
Bluetooth mode.
Let's go ahead and give a listen with a little MP3 action. Just going to hit play. I'm just going to go ahead and hit play right there. Sounds really nice and clear. All right, up top here, so we're going to be able to pause and play what we have going through Bluetooth or auxiliary. And then we have next title, next track, and then previous for auxiliary as well. And then our mode is going to shuffle between auxiliary and Bluetooth mode.
AUX mode. Bluetooth mode.
There we go. And of course our plugs and whatnot for USB, our card, and little DC action. I definitely have to say the Prunus J110 is a would recommend. I mean, this thing is versatile and amazing. I love the throwback feel to it and all the current technology. It's kind of it's like a masterpiece, if you will. I mean, the sound is really, really stunning, and all the different ways to be able to enjoy it, whether that's through MP3 or just the different FM, AM bands, shortwave. That's kind of fun. That's kind of cool to check out. definitely check out the links down below if you want to pick up your own J110. And make sure to follow us on Instagram. We're going to be giving away a Prunus on there. So follow us for the details on Instagram. Thanks for watching, people. We really appreciate it. If you're new in town, consider subscribing. Until we see you again, keep your nose clean. Bye-bye.